Yo, what if I told you Samsung just dropped a mid-range phone that's thinner than last year's, packs a punchier chip, and still costs under $600 in the US? Dude, the Galaxy A57 5G is here, and it's making a lot of flagship-light phones nervous. Stick around, because I'm about to give you the no BS truth on whether this thing is actually worth your money in 2026. What's good, everyone? It's your boy here. And today we're diving deep into the brand new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, the 2026 mid-ranger that just got announced yesterday and drops on April 10th. In the States, it starts at around $550 for the 8GB per 128GB model, bumping to about $610 for 256GB. Yeah, it's a little pricier than last year's A56, but Samsung swears the upgrades make it worth it. This phone is already trending hard because it looks premium, feels lighter in the hand, and Samsung threw in some solid AI tricks without making you sell a kidney. No hype, no corporate spin, just a real talk review with real testing. Let's crack this bad boy open. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. The box is that clean Samsung white with the phone silhouette on it. Simple, premium vibe right out the gate. Inside, you get the A57, a USB-C cable, a SIM tool, and yeah, no charger in the box again. Classic move. Pull the phone out and damn, it feels good. At just 6.9 millimeters thick and only 179 grams. It's noticeably slimmer and lighter than the A56. It sits in your hand like it belongs there, not like you're holding a brick. The back is that glossy glass with a subtle ceramic feel, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and the frame is metal. I grabbed the navy blue version, the main US color, and it looks sharp, not fingerprint magnet central, but it does show a few smudges. The front? Big 6.7-inch flat Super AMOLED with super slim bezels. First touch on the screen, and you're like, okay, this is nice. Smooth, responsive, and that 120Hz refresh rate makes everything feel buttery right away. No crazy surprises in the box, but the overall build screams, I spent more than I actually did. If you're coming from an older phone, this thing feels like an upgrade in the hand immediately. So what makes the A57 actually stand out in a sea of mid-rangers? I narrowed it down to 3 things that genuinely matter. Game changer 1, that slimmer, lighter premium build. At 6.9 millimeters and 179G, it's one of the thinnest in this price range. Samsung shaved off half a millimeter and almost 20 grams compared to the A56. It feels way more comfortable for long scrolling sessions or one-handed use. Competitors like the Pixel 10a feel chunkier next to this. If you hate heavy phones, this one's for you. Game changer 2, the new Exynos 1680 chipset. This is the biggest jump. The A57's Exynos 1680, 4nm, brings better CPU and especially GPU performance. Early in 2.2 scores hit around 1.1 million. Gaming feels smoother, multitasking doesn't stutter as much, and AI features run snappier. It's a solid step up from a 56 chip without jumping into flagship pricing. Game changer 3. 6 years of software updates plus Android 16 out the gate. Samsung is giving this mid-ranger flagship-level support, up to 6 major OS upgrades and security patches. It launches with One UI 8.5 on Android 16, loaded with useful AI stuff like better circle to search, transcription tools, and improved voice features. In the US market, where people keep phones longer, this is huge for value. These 3 together make the A57 feel like Samsung actually listened to what everyday users want. Let's geek out on the full specs. Display: 6.7-inch Super AMOLED, FHD+, 1080 by 2340, 120Hz, HDR10+, up to 1900 nits peak brightness. It's bright enough for outdoor use, colors pop, and a flat screen is perfect for screen protectors or just clean swipes. Slimmer bezels than before give it a more modern look. Processor and memory: Exynos 1680 octa-core, paired with 8GB or 12GB RAM and 128/256/512GB storage. No microSD this time. It handles daily apps, light gaming, and photo editing without breaking a sweat. Camera. Rear setup is 50MP main with OIS, 12MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro. Front is 12MP. Nothing revolutionary, but the main sensor takes solid daylight shots with good detail and natural colors. Low light is decent thanks to OIS, but don't expect S-series magic at night. Video tops out at 4K. Battery and charging. 5,000 mAh with 45W wired charging, no wireless. In tests, it easily gets you through a full day of heavy use. Other stuff? IP68 dust and water resistance. Big win at this price. Stereo speakers that sound surprisingly full. In-display fingerprint scanner that's quick, and USB-C. No headphone jack, of course. Compared to the A56, it's thinner, lighter, has a newer chip, and starts with newer software. Versus the Google Pixel 10a or nothing phone. The A57 wins on build quality and update promise, but might lose a bit on pure camera processing. Engineering-wise, Samsung focused on making it feel more premium without raising the price too crazy. And that slim profile is the star here. Okay, this is where it gets real. I've been living with the A57 for a few days now, commuting in the city, scrolling on the couch, gaming on breaks, and shooting random photos. Battery life? Solid. With mixed use, social media, YouTube, some light gaming, and always on 5G, I was ending days with 30 to 40% left. Heavy days still got me to bedtime comfortably. 45W charging gets you from 20% to 80% in about 40 minutes or so. Not the fastest out there, but reliable. Performance in real life. Apps open quick, no lag when jumping between Instagram, Gmail, and Maps. I threw on PUBG Mobile at high settings, and it held 50 to 60 FPS pretty steady, with only minor heating after long sessions. Not flagship level, but way better than older mid-rangers. Multitasking with 8+ apps open felt smooth thanks to the RAM. Camera in the wild. Daylight shots look vibrant and detailed. Great for quick snaps of friends or food. Ultra-wide is useful for landscapes. Low light is acceptable, but you'll see some noise if it's really dark. Selfies are fine for video calls and socials. The AI features like auto enhance and object removal work surprisingly well without looking fake. Software experience. One UI 8.5 feels clean and feature-packed. The new AI tools like Better Notes summarization or voice transcription are actually useful, not just gimmicks. No major bloat, and everything runs buttery thanks to that 120Hz screen. Durability and comfort. The slim body makes it easy to pocket. IP68 gives peace of mind if you're clumsy around water. I didn't baby it and it held up fine. No scratches yet on the Victus Plus glass. One small gripe, the glossy back can get slippery if your hands are even a little sweaty. Surprises? The speakers are louder and clearer than I expected. The in-display fingerprint is fast now. And honestly, the lighter weight makes long TikTok sessions way less tiring. Any downsides in daily use? It can warm up during extended gaming, but nothing that throttles performance badly. Overall, it just feels like a phone you can rely on without thinking about it. Time for the straight-up list. Pros. Super slim and light premium build that feels more expensive than it is. Solid performance jump with the Exynos 1680 for everyday and light gaming. Bright, smooth 120Hz Super AMOLED display. Long software support. 6 years of updates is killer value. IP68 rating and good battery life. Useful AI features baked into One UI 8.5. Cons. No charger in the box. Still annoying in 2026. Camera is good, but not class-leading in low light. No micro SD slot or wireless charging. Price crept up $50 from last year. Glossy back can be slippery and shows fingerprints. Balance take. The pros definitely outweigh the cons for most people. Final score? I'm giving the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G an 8.4 out of 10. Who should buy it? If you want a reliable daily driver that looks and feels premium, has great battery and screen, plus long-term software support, and you're the US market shopping under $650, this is a strong pick. Perfect for students, young professionals, or anyone upgrading from a 2 to 3-year-old phone. Who should skip it? If you're a heavy gamer needing max performance, or you prioritize the absolute best camera, go Pixel, or you refuse to pay the extra $50 over last year. Value for money? At $550 to $610, it's still one of the better mid-range deals when you factor in the build and updates. But if you can find the A56 on sale now, it might be smarter for some folks. Best alternative? The Google Pixel 10a if camera is your top priority, or the Galaxy A57 if you want to save more cash. Bottom line, Samsung nailed the awesome for everyone vibe with this one. It's not trying to be flashy, it's just quietly excellent. If this fits your budget, you're going to be happy. Alright, that's my full deep dive on the Galaxy A57 5G. What do you think? Is the slim design and new chip enough to make you upgrade? Or are you waiting for a sale? Drop your biggest question in the comments right now. If you like the honest take, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS tech reviews, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Links to the phone, best deals, and my testing gear are all down in the description. Stay awesome out there, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.